Hello friends, welcome to our channel Take 9N, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we upgrade our laptop with SSD and other higher capacity RAM. Okay, just follow this video. Here I have a DELL Inspiron 3459 model. Okay, this is DELL Inspiron 3459 and I'm going to install SSD instead of a hard disk. Since I already got SSD in my laptop, so I'm going to replace it with a hard disk. Okay, and the reverse process is also same. First of all, take out the battery and you have to remove the two screws. And now you can open the cover. So we have two RAM slot, wireless module and hard disk SSD space there, you can see. Okay, first of all I'm going to take out the SSD. Okay, for this I need to remove the 4 screws there. And I have to remove the SATA cable also, the SATA connector. So here is the SATA connector. And you can take it out. Just don't force too much. It is the Kingston SSD and I have to remove its holder by removing those 4 screws. This way we can remove this SSD holder, and in this way you can remove the RAM, which is 8GB DDR3 RAM, and if this is not enough you can upgrade it with a higher capacity RAM. And we've got 2 slots there. Okay, another one is empty on its opposite side and you can keep RAM. Okay, and I have this 500GB hard disk and I'm going to install it on my computer. So first of all I'm going to screw tight those 4 screws. And I have to connect it with the SATA connector. So in this way, and again the 4 screws. And here is its cover. And again we have 2 screws there. and then I need to insert the battery in my laptop. So I try to turn it on. Okay, and as it has got Windows 10 inside of it, so it's about to boot. So friends, in this way we can install SSD in our computer. And this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.